Hi, I'm Matthew Courtney. Welcome to Spreadsheet Fundamentals. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use variations of the count function. Before we look at the spreadsheet, let's take a moment to consider the syntax. There are four variations of the count function. The first is simply count, and you can use this anytime you want to count numerical variables on your spreadsheet. Simply type $count and place the range in parentheses. The range is the set of cells that you want to count. If you want to count words instead of numbers, use the count A variation. It works the same way. If you have a column of data with multiple pieces of information, such as gender categories, you can use the Countif function to count only a specific criteria. Simply type $count, and then parentheses, select the range, followed by a comma, and then input your criteria in quotation marks. If you want to count data with multiple criteria across two or more columns, you can use the Countifs variation. Simply separate each range and criteria by a comma until you've included all of your desired criteria. Let's take a look at what these functions look like in action. On the screen is a dataset that represents a classroom of students. If I want to know how many students are in the class, I can use the count function to count the ID number column. To do so, I will click in cell G3 and type $count, open parentheses, A2, A26, close parentheses, enter. I can see that I have 25 students. If I want to count the students using the first name column, I can do so with the count A function by typing $count A, open parentheses, B2, B26, close parentheses, enter. Again, I get 25. If I want to know how many female students are in my class, I can use the Countif function. In cell G5, I'm going to type $Countif, open parentheses. Then select the data in column C, comma, female in quotation marks, close parentheses, enter. There are 12 female students. Finally, if I want to know how many female students are 12 years old, I can use the Countifs function. In cell G6, I'm going to type $Countifs, open parentheses. Then select the data in column C, comma, next my criteria for that column, female in quotation marks, comma. Then I'll repeat the process by selecting the data in column D, comma, 12 in quotation marks, close parentheses, enter. There are 4 12-year-old females in my dataset. In this video, I have shown you how to use 4 variations of the count function. For more information on how to use spreadsheet functions to interpret student data, please visit www.matthewbcourtney.com/repository.